Namaste to all. I, Devian Ramesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of APM from Jyoti Vidyapith, Province University, Jaipur. Today our session is pumping NEMA for regular sets. It is a very important topic for GATE and PSC exam. So we will see what is pumping NEMA. You can understand what is pumping NEMA. Before which we have studied about regular language, and we have two concepts of regular language because it is included in pumping NEMA. So now what is pumping NEMA? Pumping means to extend the particular data of particular string. Pumping means push up to extend the particular string. Pumping NEMA is a technique for proving a language N is not a regular language. So what is pumping language? Pumping NEMA. You have to prove that a particular language N is not a regular language. Are you getting all? So what is pumping NEMA? Pumping NEMA, in pumping NEMA you have to prove that the language N is not a regular. Very important, it is the focus point of this. The language N is not a regular. In pumping NEMA, the NEMA gives a necessary condition for input string. What? In pumping NEMA, the NEMA gives a necessary condition for an input string. Getting all? For an input string gives a necessary condition that belongs to a regular set. It also gives a method. For the letting pumping any input string from a given string. The pumping NEMA is also useful in the development of algorithm to answer certain questions. The pumping NEMA is also useful in the development of algorithm to answer a certain questions for finite automata such as whether the language accepted by execution finite automata is finite or not. Hence it is called the decision tree. So what is pumping NEMA? Pumping NEMA, you have to check whether a language N is regular or not. So in contradiction you have to prove that a language N is not a regular. Then the language will be that the condition is known as pumping NEMA. So we will see here, pumping NEMA is used to prove that the language N is not a regular. So in contradiction, it is not to be used to prove that the language N is regular. So ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें आप कोई language N है, okay, so you have to prove only the language N is not a regular. In contradiction or in against, you have to not prove that the language N is regular. You have to prove that the language N is not regular. So first of all we will take a string denoted by S. So we will assume S equal to x by z. That means that string x S is divided into 3 parts. That's why we take here S equal to x by z. That means the string you take in is divided into 3 parts. That is known as x, y, z. Okay. So here mode of x greater than t, that means mode of the value of that string, the length of the string will be greater than or equal to t. So first point is that x, y to the power I, z, that belongs to a for every I greater than 0. Second, mode of y greater than 0. Third, these are the 3 conditions for the pumping NEMA. What? First of all, you have to take a string divided into 3 parts, x, y, z. First, x, y to the power z. Okay, for every I greater than 0, mode of y greater than 0, and third is mode of xy less than 3. These are the three conditions for the continuum of Fourier diagram. So for proofs using contradiction, assume that A is regular, and you have to prove that what A is not a regular language. So in contradiction, we assume that A is regular. First condition. Second is, it has to have pumping length say P. We assume that the length S to have a pumping length divided by S, and you can also assume that P, because we are studying the length, about the length, and the topic is pumping number, that we assume the length of the string is P. All the string length, all the string longer than P can have pumping. That means all the string which you have taken can be pumped, that means extended up to a certain length divided by mode of S greater or equal to P. Now find a string S in A such that mode of S greater or equal to P. Divide S into x, y, z. We have already discussed about that. So that x, y to the power I z belongs to A. For same I, then consider all ways that S can be divided into x, y, z, so that it cannot be satisfied all the three conditions. That's why if all these three conditions does not provide, does not fulfill the language L, that is a string, then the language is not regular. So S cannot be pumped or contradictions. If all the three conditions does not hold, then there will be a contradictions. That's why the language L is not regular and our condition will be satisfied. So now we will understand with the help of examples, and this is the theory, or this is the theorem which we have to prove with the help of general terms. We have taken a machine N, it is automata. We have discussed also. L is a regular set f accepted by N. That is, if the language, the string is accepted, then W belongs to N, where W greater or equal to N. If N greater or equal to N, then there exists x, y, z such that W is equal to x, y, z, or not equal to null. If all these cannot be null, and x, y to the power I, z belongs to L, for each I greater or equal to 0. So we have assumed that the W, the string A, belongs to L, and W equal to x, y, z, not equal to null, and x, y to the power I, z belongs to L. So now let W is equal to A1, A2 up to An, here where N greater or equal to N, here delta Q0 Q1 up to delta Q0 Q1 Q2 up to Qn, or equal to Qi for I equal to 1 to N, capital Q equal to Q0 comma Q1 up to Q1. This is unique sequence of states in the path W equal to A1 A2 up to An, while there are only n distinct states, so that at least two states in Q must coincide. Among various pair of repeated states, we will consider the first pair. Assume these pairs are Qi and Qi equal to Q0, then I and J will be satisfied at following condition: 0 less or equal to I and J less or equal to N. Now we can decompose the string W into three substrings. These are A1, A2 to An, and Ai not equal to 1, and Ai plus 1 and Aj, and A1, A2 and Ai a plus 1 aj and aj plus 1 respectively. Since since j less or equal to m, the mode of x y less or equal to m, that means the length of the string will be x y less or equal to m, that is, and x w equal to x y z. Therefore the path w in the condition diagram language q naught x, q naught I, q j divided into y part and giving input j. If you give in q naught input x, then you say to qi qj, and if you give input y, then again you say to qi, and if you give input z, then you say to the qm. That is the, if this condition holds, that string will be fine accepted, otherwise not accepted. We have already discussed. So the automata A must start from initial state q naught reaching the state x related to the qi as qi equal to qj. On applying the string y, it comes back to qi. This makes the application of phi I for each I equal to 0. Each I equal to 0, automata will be in the state qi. On applying z, we take it to the final state qm. We conclude that x y to the power y z belongs to L. From the above discussion, it should be understood that the decomposition of a string y w to 1 is having for a string whose length greater than or equal to the number of states reaching w equal to x by z. Hence we can iterate the substring y in wxy xyz as many times to get the string of the form x y to the power I z which are longer than L. I equal to 0, that means x I equal, that means x I to the power y z. By considering the path from qj to qj and then from qk to create a path using final state path xz. The following steps are used to prove that a certain steps are not regular. First one is L is regular, and n is the number of states in finite automata which accept else. Choose the string w such that w mode of w equal to n. Using complete limit w equal to x y z, mode of x y less than equal to n and mode of y greater than equal to 0. Find a suitable integral I such that mode of x I y to the power I z does not belong to it, that means not regular. That the condition is very important, because we see the condition holds, because and that the language is not regular and contradict our assumption means it is not regular. So we will understand with the help of example. So that n a to the power n of the q is a prime is not a regular language. Okay, assume L is a regular language. Let n be the number of states in BFA. Let p be a prime number greater than n. Let p be a prime number greater than n, and also let w equal to a to the power p. By using function law, w can be written as w equal to x y z. We have already discussed, and x y divided into two parts. So here we assume that what? Yeah. So y equal to a to the power m, here n greater equal to 1. So and if n greater equal to n, so we assume that I equal to p plus 1. So mode of x y to the power I z equal to mode of x plus y I to the power minus 1. So here we assume p plus here. So because I equal to p plus 1, so putting the value of what? P equal to 1 minus, sorry, I equal to putting the value of here p plus 1, then the value equal to p plus pn, x I to the power y z equal to belongs to n, and mode of x y to the power I z equal to p plus pn. So here what? Taking common p 1 plus n. So here the question is a prime. but here contradiction is that this is not a prime, is converted to the even. So here and p plus 1 is not a prime. There is a contradiction because here this is a condition given that is a prime, but here is not a prime. So x, y, z does not belong to it. That is not a regular language. So our contradictory assumption, thus L is not a regular language. The same here we prove that another question proves that the language L equal to 0 to the power I, 1 to the power I, oblique I greater or equal to 1 is not a regular language. So I think you can solve again this problem with the help of this concept, regular and contradiction, not a regular. So thank you to all. I think you understand and you like my video. So please comment my video, subscribe my video. Thank you to all.